If a doctor comes to you and says, "I'm sorry for causing your injury," does that mean that you can't bring a lawsuit seeking compensation? Hi, come on in. I'm Jerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. To answer that question, whether or not the doctor says, "I'm sorry," I will tell you has no effect whatsoever on whether or not you can bring a valid medical malpractice case against that doctor or the hospital for causing your injury. Now, there could be two reasons why a doctor would say, "I'm sorry," following an injury. The first reason is the doctor may be very compassionate and feel bad that they caused an injury, obviously that they didn't intend to cause. The other reason is that the hospital may compel them to actually do that. And why is that? Well, there's a program that's been going on for the past few years throughout the United States. It's called the I'm Sorry program. They do that to try and minimize the litigation risks involved with having the patient go ahead and obtain an attorney, with having the patient go ahead bring a lengthy lawsuit, and the possible risk that they will now get a judgment or a verdict. And that's why they try and limit it by having the doctor or the nurse come to the patient and the family and say, "Look, we're so sorry this happened. Is there anything we can do?" And now the administration gets involved and they try and negotiate with the family. Keep in mind one thing. The whole goal of the hospital trying to eliminate this risk early on is to minimize the amount that they have to pay out. Your goal as an injured victim is to try and maximize the amount of compensation that you should be receiving depending upon the type of injury you receive. And if you think that they're going to offer you full and fair compensation, think again. Their goal is to minimize and reduce the amount that they're paying out and at the same time satisfy you for a sense of justice. That's it for today's video tip about whether a doctor or hospital comes to you and says, "I'm sorry." By the way, if you found this information helpful, what I want you to do is two things. I want you to press that button below that says like if you're watching this on Facebook and YouTube. Why? This way all of your friends can get the benefit of the same exact information you just got. And also if you have comments, leave them below. I'll be able to answer your comments below. And as always, if you have legal questions, what I want you to do is go ahead, pick up the phone, call me. This is what I do every single day. I answer legal questions in the state of New York about how cases like these work, and I can answer your questions. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Jerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.